Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the EURPMASK 5-in-1 Smart Cupping Kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this box open, we'll see the device in here. And you will need to kind of read the instructions, see how it's put together and everything, how to remove properly all the little parts and pieces. It's sealed, so we'll go ahead and open it. And that'll just go back in there for now. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Got your kind of remote for use, as well as kind of the instruction manual that will kind of walk you through exactly how everything is supposed to work. LED, display, all that stuff. So I don't know if there's anything underneath, but we'll check. There is not. So we're just going to go ahead, and it's multiple pieces in here, so just be aware of that. Remove the film here, hold the power down, and you'll kind of hear this thing kick on. Just be aware that we can cycle through and then turn it off that way. So we'll go ahead and charge this thing up. Somewhere, there we go, is a USB-C charging spot. So we'll get it 100% charged up. Also note that there are a couple little buttons. So let me turn that back on real quick. Kind of mode buttons. So just be aware, read your instruction manual. I'll try and cover a couple of them, but I just want you to be aware of what goes on here with all this stuff. So we will go ahead and turn it off and charge it up and go from there. So real quick before I continue on this, I do want to kind of show you that these are all, when you read your instruction manual, it gets a lot easier. These all screw right in to kind of decide which size cupping you're looking for. So they all come in 3 different sizes, and really what you're looking for is if you see that foam in there, you're just going to kind of screw that side in, and again, it'll kind of quickly screw in tight, and then you'll have 3 kind of different sizes to work with on that. All right, doing my best to show this in use. It is suctioned onto my lower back here. You can use the remote to to go through. You can put heat on. You can use red light therapy. I'm just going to suction this to try and do some work from my lower back, and I'll show you the result when I'm done. All right, so I left this running for about 20 minutes, so I'm going to just go ahead and turn it off and see. You can probably see there's a good suction mark. More that it's raised than anything else. I'm sure it'll end up leaving a different type of mark, and I'll come back and see what that looks like in 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's still a little bit raised, but in general, seems to be getting better. Trying to do my best with the lighting. This is not an easy way to do it, but overall, it wasn't too bad, honestly. The process made it feel okay. So definitely worth it. I will continue to use this, and recommend that you do as well. Consult a doctor before doing anything medical. But I very much enjoyed it. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.